And this is the folding portable wheelchair. This is basically how it comes out of the box. And as you can see, it simply unfolds. See if I can do this one-handed. Lift up on that. Push this down. That unfolds. And you lock it into place on both sides. For safety, fold down the footrest, and there it is. And these arms fold up and under and lock into place. And of course it has a seat belt. This is perfect for those times when maybe you're a care provider taking people to doctor's offices, and you have people who can walk okay, but sometimes just need a little bit of help. It's only 19 pounds. It has brakes. This is very nice. It's a very nice addition to someone who's helping people who have limited mobility. I like it. They include a carrying case with handles and good instructions, as well as a wrench in case you need to tighten anything. But this is practically zero assembly. You just have to remove some padding and you're ready to go.
So here is the chair. It goes up and down. The only thing is the handlebars are not adjustable, so you kind of hunched over when you're pushing it. Also, it has a tendency to go to the right. It doesn't really go to the left much.